Idong, tawag kayo. Idong.
Wala na.
Alright, thank you. Merry Christmas, Angie.
Wala nang gift.
And Jacob and Miguel. Come here. Come here. Nasa si
Naku,
Miguel.
ubos na yung gift.
Si Jacob.
Okay, uwian na. Let's go. Uwi na tayo.
Thank you, Jacob. Merry Christmas.
Uwian na.
Meron pa ba?
Wala
Ano
na.
yan? Meron pa ba yan? Who is not good yet? Raise your hand.
Sino daw wala pa?
I see three hands.
Sino yung wala pa?
Hands na lang ba? Come here, there's one more gift here to Zoe!
Naku!
From Santa! Yay!
Wala nang gift. Si Ate Zoe meron na.
And this is for you,
Sus!
your brother, who is the
Wala
party
na.
tonight. Alright, that's alright. Come bring that one. What is that inside? Who has no gift yet? Raise your hand. Who has no gift yet?
Kanta.
No gift yet. Come here, come here. Okay. This one. This one. Okay. One gift only. Can you open that? Can you open the can? This one is, where's Joaquin? Where's Joaquin? Who's Joaquin? Nako. Who's Joaquin? I cannot tell. Raise your hand if you're Joaquin. Who's Joaquin? You're Joaquin. Now, you try to open that. Santa, can you help? For Merry Christmas! Yay! From Santa for Benita Anita and Benita Joaquin. Are you happy? No more crying, huh? Oh! Come here, sit with us. Ayan! See how your kids' eyes spark when they got this? This will not last for long, kaya we better capture this moment, no? Eventually they would know. Thank you, mommies and daddies!
Daddy, nag-fairy eye ka.
Thank you very much! Sandali lang po. Wow!
Wow, what's that?
Everybody, pag-ibig on stage muna.
What's that?
One last
Wow, remote control. It's a helicopter. Helicopter. Tino, what's that?
Santa, where are you going? Okay.
Ano sa'yo?
Go to the temple tray, Santa.